Most people get this wrong when they download Blackout Bingo. They see ads showing cash prizes and immediately assume they're going to make easy money. But here's the truth no one tells you. Whether Blackout Bingo is worth your time depends on understanding exactly how the app works before you spend a single dollar. In this review, I'll explain what Blackout Bingo is, whether it actually pays users in 2026, the biggest mistakes to avoid, and who this app is really designed for. Let's get straight into it. Blackout Bingo is a skill-based mobile game that combines traditional bingo mechanics with fast-paced gameplay. Instead of waiting for random number calls like regular bingo, players score points by quickly matching numbers and completing objectives during timed matches. The first thing you need to know is this. Yes, the app offers cash prize competitions in eligible regions where permitted by law. However, that does not mean every player earns money. This is where most people fail. They confuse the availability of cash prizes with guaranteed profits. In reality, outcomes depend on factors such as skill level, competition, entry fees where applicable, and overall performance against other players. For example, Jake downloads the app expecting easy earnings. He enters competitive matches without understanding the game mechanics and quickly becomes frustrated. Meanwhile, Alex spends time learning the gameplay, practicing in free modes, and understanding scoring strategies before entering higher-level competitions. Their experiences can be completely different. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Many experienced players focus more on improving their scores than chasing large prize pools. Why? Because consistent performance often matters more than taking unnecessary risks. But here's the problem. Some people view apps like Blackout Bingo as an income source. That's usually the wrong mindset. Competitive gaming apps should be treated as entertainment first. No. Any potential winning should be viewed as a bonus rather than guaranteed earnings. This helps set realistic expectations and prevents disappointment. In a minute I'll show you the easiest way to decide whether Blackout Bingo is worth trying. Before that, let's talk about withdrawals and payouts. If you're eligible for cash competitions and meet the platform's requirements, users may be able to request payouts according to the app's terms and policies. Processing times and availability can vary depending on location and account status. Now, here's the easiest way to decide. Ask yourself one simple question. Do you enjoy competitive skill-based mobile games? If the answer is yes, Blackout Bingo may be worth exploring. If you're only looking for guaranteed income, it's probably not the right choice. Let's recap. Blackout Bingo is a skill-based gaming app. Cash prize opportunities may be available in eligible regions. Earnings are not guaranteed. Success depends on skill, strategy, and competition. And the best approach is treating it as entertainment first. Now you're better informed and can decide whether Blackout Bingo is right for you in 2026. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more app reviews and earning platform breakdowns, and let me know in the comments about your experience with Blackout Bingo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.